This will be a quick walkthrough describing how to schedule a meeting through Avizo, which is being done instead of using the locator card. It's important for you to understand that your up-to-date calendar necessarily informs the Avizo calendar. So the settings that you change within Avizo actually are informed by the Google Calendar. What this implies, though, is that if you've already set up Google appointment slots on your Google Calendar, Avizo will see that as a time when you are busy. So one will need to take out those appointment slots on their Google Calendar and just rely on Avizo to schedule them. With that said, when a student goes there, what they're going to do is they will go to their Avizo interface, and then from there they will be able to schedule a meeting with the instructor. So they'll just click this meeting, they'll get the information that they need so they can schedule with you. That sets up what I'm going to show you and set up your Avizo on your side. To set up meetings in Avizo, simply go to your dashboard and then come over here to the icon that has your initials or your picture in the upper right hand corner. Click that and then go to Settings. From here, scroll down to where it says Meetings, and you'll see at the very top of the Meetings category, it says, I would like to allow students to schedule meetings using my public calendar. We're not going to allow that option because we want students to always go through a Avizo wizard to set up their meeting. That way they can indicate what kind of a meeting it is as well as the time. While this section is likely already populated, you'll see where it says Meeting Request Locations. Since this one's blank for me, I'm going to click Add. I'm on the Henderson County campus, and I'm saying it will be a faculty office where the meeting will be held. I'll hit that and I'll hit Add. Okay, then we go down to Meeting Request Locations. I'm going to click Accept Scheduled Meetings from Students, and I would like at least how much lead time. Lead time is important because that way the advisor or faculty member can be prepared for the meeting and make the most out of it. So it's common to say at least an hour. So I scroll down just a little bit further, and we can see that it says that we'll only allow students to schedule meetings during times that are free on your integrated work calendar, meaning if you have other appointments set up, students will not see that as an option. Now here I'm going to put in my availability. I've been told because of my course load that I'm going to be available for advising so many hours a week. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say this is my office hours to discuss my current course, but it's also my advising hours. So I'm setting this up, and now I'm just going to say that maybe on Mondays I'm going to be available for that purpose from 10 to 2. And then I don't do it on Tuesdays, but then on Wednesdays I can use this scrolling device here, and I can say, once again, I can say from 10 to 2. And I hit done. Now it turns out on Wednesdays I also want to be available from 4 to 5. So here I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add a row. And on Wednesdays I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit 4. And I'm going to do this, I'm going to enter it like this, colon. I can also add it like that. Now if I'm happy with this, this is going to be available from 10 to 2. From 10 to 2 on Wednesday, also from 4 to 5 p.m. And of course, everything that's already scheduled on my Google Calendar will not show up as an available time when the students go to the wizard to use this. So I'm going to hit save. And that's all there is to it.